make more money and get everything done for you for absolutely free. So it becomes pure passive income. And all you need for today is a smartphone device and internet connection. Literally nothing more than that. So grab your phone and get ready because we were starting as soon as you dropped a like to this video. Leave a thumbs up down below so we can hit 1,500 likes as soon as possible. So just take a second to tap the like button down below. Okay, now this is an absolutely free plan for a rookie, and get everything done for you so you can make money without doing the hard work yourself. So I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can use this platform at the end of the video, but first of all, let's check out the app which is actually going to pay you before I show you how you can get everything done for you for absolutely free with this tool right here. Anyways, this is the average we will be using. It's gonna allow you to make money just by simply uploading your videos and photos. So simply upload your videos and photos and earn cash. And you don't need a professional camera for it. It is in fact, as you can see, these are all beginner-friendly photos that were taken with a phone, only like this is a selfie. And these images are making thousands of dollars in pure passive income. Now if you actually stay with me all the way until the end of the video, I will give you an absolutely free plan for where you can get those images down for years. So you don't even have to pay them with their phone. You will not have to take those pictures and those videos yourself because everything is going to be done for you. Now this is over a default account. This is their official website. But they do have an app which is also available for both iOS and Android. So it's inside of both the App Store and Google Play Store. And according to a similar vibe, Philip is being visited by 250,000 people. Every single month, 150,000 people use this website on a regular basis and over 18% of them are coming from the United States, which is adopted by your country. Now how does FOB actually work? Well, all you have to do is upload different images to this website. And then agencies, brands and other people will come over to you folks to buy those stock images, which you have previously uploaded to folks something like this. They can now buy those images. And folks will split the revenue with you 5,050. They will split the revenue with you because they will promote those images for you. They will drive traffic. They will do the selling, they will deliver the image, they will do everything. All you have to do is upload an image to Float and forget about it. You can then come back to collect your earnings again and again. Because it's all a pure passive income. And as you can see right here, they will be sharing the profit 5,050 with you. And if you open up any of these images, let's say for example, you open up this one. This is a cute dog image. It's selling for $10. And mostly they're selling for $10. Or sometimes even more than that, which means if you have uploaded this image, whenever someone buys it, you will get $5 per sale. You will not have to do the shipping, nothing, literally nothing. You just need to collect $5 from that one person. And since it's a digital product, you can sell it again. And again, if we're on unlimited times, the more images you upload, the more money you will make because one image can make you a lot of money. Like if you got 10 sales of this image, you would make $50 from it. You could get 100 sales, that's $500. And down the road, that can actually happen because you can get sales done in the next couple of weeks and months, and even years because it will stay on the phone forever. And if you upload 10 images that make you $500, that's $5,000. And the website, which I'm about to share with you, will allow you to get 1,000 of different images, which you can then re-upload your photos and have a high chance of making a decent amount of money. Because these images are not super high quality. They're not professional, but they're still making a decent amount of money. But just imagine if you have uploaded some really professional high-resolution images, well then you will stand a better chance of making more money. Besides just uploading those images, you can also complete different missions which are available on a daily basis. You will get the new missions which you can complete, which will also make you a pretty decent amount of money. For example, this one is going to make you $700 in reward. This one can make you $600, $400, $100, $100, $50, and so on and so forth. So with these new missions, you can earn some extra money, and you can actually get paid a lot more. There's not a lot of missions, but they should refresh every single day, and every single day, you should be able to get into a new missions. So you can make some extra cash where there's even if it's only $100 a day from these missions, it's still okay, because it's just a side hustle. Now if you're asking yourself, how exactly will you collect your earnings from phones? Well, here's exactly how it works. You go to settings, you will set up your cash out settings. And buy Anthony your PayPal email addresses. So yes, you will get paid directly to your PayPal. As soon as you get a sale, you can instantly cash out and instantly spam your PayPal money on whatever you want to. So no points and no coins, but a real account as which you can then spend wherever you prefer. And if you're wondering if this actually works well, you can just take a look at this. You need to install their absolutely free app to your smartphone device. So you will either go to Google Play Store or the App Store depending on which device you have, whether it's an Android or iOS, and install the app. So you will search for Folk, or you will just go over to folk.com and it's like the Google Play or App Store. This is how it's going to look like. This is their logo. You will just need to install it by clicking this button, install it to a smartphone device. Sign up as a creator for absolutely free and it will take no more than 60 seconds. And you can start uploading different images as you can start collecting passive income from them. The more images you upload, the more money you will make. Now, as I said, you can even fake those photos with your phone, only you don't need a camera for this. You just need to open up a camera on your phone. And you can take pictures all around you. Go in nature, take pictures, take a picture of your dog or your cat or whatever path you have to take a picture of your ice cream, your food or the sun. Say whatever you think it would look nice. And just upload it to Fob. Try out the different images that start with different images. It's free to upload them and each image you upload can make you some decent amount of passive income. But if you don't want to take those images yourself, then you can simply go over to burst.shopify.com. This is a word of the burst.shopify.com. And this is a platform we're looking for and a lot of free stock photos with commercial use, which you can download with one click of a button and use OmniFocus Datacom. So you have all of these different categories like work from home, female photographers, coffee, venom and home baking, fitness, ice cream, and so on and so forth. You can take all of these different categories, find lots of high-quality images, and re-upload them to vote. You can even make slight changes if you want to, like you can change a little bit of the color grading when it may be odd, but it's not necessary. You don't have to do that unless you want to. So let's say, for example, I'm going to take some forest images. All we have to do is click on the forest button right here, or even just go over to the search bar and search for four. So go to the search for brief photos. I will type in, for example, forest right here. And that's going to give us all of these beautiful photos which we can use. These are really nice photos, which we can download for absolutely free and use as info. So let's say, for example, I really like this one. I honestly really like this one. The only thing to do is download it by clicking on a high resolution button. So we obviously don't want a low resolution, we only want a high resolution. So we will stand higher chances of making more money. Obviously people will be willing to pay for a high resolution photo rather than the low resolution. So just click high resolution and he will be on your computer. I will close this now. I can download some other images so I can go through them. Let's say, for example, I really like this one. I will download it as well. You can see it's only one click of a button. Let's try and find more. Maybe this one. I've also downloaded that one. As you can see, it takes no more than 5 seconds. You just need to click on it. It will be onto your computer. You just need to go back to FOP and upload those images. The more of them you upload, the higher chances are making more money. You will have no sense of, you won't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in some of the next videos.